What is up? Anthony with Goat Guns here, and we are here to show you what we do.
Viewer discretion is advised. The items shown in this video are non-functional, small-scale metal replicas intended for collectible purposes only. These replicas cannot fire or be modified to fire any projectiles. This video is for informational and entertainment purposes. Always follow your local laws and regulations regarding the possession and display of replica firearms.
So we make 1/3 scale die-cast gun models with moving parts. This is the Mark 22 spring-loaded bipod. And check this out. They each come with 3 small brass dummy rounds. This one has a scope, also has a folding stock, highly accurate. This one is actually fully licensed by Barrett. It's the current sniper that the Marines carry right now. Check this out. Bolt action, shell ejecting. We also have licensing with FN. This is a FN Scar L with a few attachments. We sell attachments for these. This is a 4X scope, flashlight, and a little grip. We sell these separately and they fit on pretty much any of our goat guns that has a Picatinny rail. This one, again, is fully licensed by FN, folding stock, mag, die-cast metal, so they're heavy. Also, we sell the AR, traditional. We also sell free floats, all of that stuff. You gotta go to PM Hobbycraft to get these. Go check them out. All right, so don't forget the gun rack, so you can display them on your desk. Small footprint, but it'll hold 10 goat guns. And it even fits the RPG.